Hello, sweet friend, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and I am very grateful you stopped by my home today for some Sunday reset motivation. This video was ready to go last Sunday, but unfortunately, due to the storms here in New Jersey, I lost my internet for about 3 days and couldn't upload it to YouTube. So I am so glad that today you get to see this Sunday reset. Truth to be told, till this week, I still had Christmas decor to put away. This is actually not from my home. This is stuff that I decorated my classroom with, and little by little, because I don't have a car due to a drunk driver that destroyed my car on January 1st, I have to go to work walking, which is a blessing because it's helping me lose weight. So not all things are bad. But because of that, little by little, I am bringing to my home so I can store in my garage the Christmas decor. But now that I have that out of the way, we are going to be quickly cleaning this table that it's the catch of all things on a single basis, and comment below if you have a place like that in your home. This table, no matter how much I try to clear it out, there's always stuff on it. It's just like really hard for me, especially throughout the week, to try to manage it. It also needs some TLC, as you could see here, but that's gonna have to wait perhaps for some time in the summer because I am building a new built-in next to the fireplace, which I am so excited to share that with you, and hopefully you get to see that this Thursday.
Wanna look at you all night, wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful, you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know?
These chairs really need a deep cleaning, but this week I just haven't had the time. Probably also the walls need the same thing, but to be honest, right next to this room is the kitchen, and there's still a lot of dust that is coming from the upstairs bathroom that is getting repaired. Another great news is that if you've been here with me for a long time, you know we don't have a main bathroom upstairs. But today's Sunday, actually, my neighbor is coming to install the sheetrock. Yes, it is something that I can do, but there's so much to do in this very old home that sometimes it's okay to ask for help.
At you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
We have 4 dogs, 2 of them are German Shepherd, and they shed insanely. So I often like to sweep first, gather all the hair and bulky items, and then vacuum. And this is what I'm doing here. And after I do that, I am going to give this room a very good mop. I have here boiling water, and I am going to add my favorite laundry detergent, that I also use to clean around the home, which is Wind Fresh. You could order it from Amazon. However, I find that it's very expensive. If you do that, I like to get mine at Sam's Club. However, you could actually wash your floors with any laundry powder detergent. Not only it does a phenomenal job, but it also leaves an amazing scent in your home. The beauty about this mop is that you could detach it and throw it in your laundry machine, which is what I'm gonna do so I can get it white and clean again. Now we're gonna take a second here in my guest bathroom, which also takes a beating because it's the bathroom where we're currently using to brush our teeth and our face, and it's taking a beating since we don't have the main bathroom upstairs, and where we shower it's actually in the basement, and it is so cold down there, so I cannot wait to have our main bathroom finished. It's been a very long journey, and I'm glad that I get to have this platform and hopefully motivate you that sometimes things take a long time, but we shouldn't give up. We should keep pushing forward and trying our best and loving our things, whatever we have, until we get the better things. And I think when we do that, we actually appreciate those better things even more. Here I am taking a second to disinfect the areas that we touch the most. I mean, I haven't seen a lot of people doing this stuff anymore. Sort of, we put the pandemic on the back burner, but we shouldn't lose those habits of continuously disinfecting surfaces and those areas that accumulate a lot of germs. On this day, I did not scrub inside of the toilet because I ran out of the stuff I used to clean the toilet. But I am hoping that you are here getting all the motivation that you need to at least tackle one thing on this Sunday. Or if you're not, at least getting re-energized so you could start tomorrow, Monday, with motivation and energy to tackle something in your home.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment.
Here I am wiping the floors because, as you saw before, the mop is disgusting. So I'm just taking a second to wipe the floors with the Clorox wipe, and then we're gonna do a little bit of decorations. All these decorations are from Dollar Tree from last year, except this, which are kitchen towels, and I believe I got them last year from the Dollar Spot, and the rest it's all from the Dollar Tree. Friend, as I finish putting these tiny touches of Valentine in this bathroom. I want to thank you for spending this 10 minutes with me. I hope you walk away with some motivation, at least to do one thing in your home. And don't forget to turn on your notification bells on, because I am so excited to show you my next home improvement, my DIY. And if you follow me on Instagram, you already know what I'm talking about. Until Thursday, stay safe, stay cozy, and I see you then. Bye.